In the previous episodes I show you my jig. I'm cut out 5 sheets of 4mm ply to make up a 18mm corner. Soaked the timber up in the river and bent it around the jig, and now what I'll do is dismantle this and laminate the lot together. Here we go. Here's all the sheets of ply, nicely bent, and what we have to do is now epoxy glue the lot together. So what I want to do is to, with a sharp screwdriver or a chisel or something, I want to crisscross score the ply so that the adhesive will bond with the ply. So here's an old chisel. All we want to do is score the ply. Just like that. And I'll do that with each panel. There we go. Now I'll mix up some epoxy. You're going to want to use a thick epoxy like that, or you can use a thin epoxy and add micro balloons to it to thicken it up. We'll take a good chunk of the two part and mix them together. That's about 50-50. So I'll mix these two up very carefully. And so now all we do is apply the glue to the panels with a nice broad scraper. Oops. Lay it on nice and thick, give it full coverage, right up to the edges. Just like that. And I'm going to do that to all my 5 panels and just put them together on the jig, ready for clamping. So I'll carry on with the other 4. Okay, so now I've thickly coated all the panels in epoxy glue. Now I will clamp them back together again, and I'll cover the whole lot in clamps to really bind the whole lot. So I'll do that now. Okay, there we go. She's all fully clamped up now. We'll leave that for 24 hours to set, and then we'll take them off and have a look. Okay, the epoxy has been allowed to set for a full 24 hours. Now I'll dismantle it and we'll have a look at the end result. It's all glued up, strong. This will become the corner of our cabin.